What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty related. As in beauty, I mean makeup, hairstyle, lifestyle, fashion, and of course fitness, which is my favorite. But today we are not talking about any of those things. Are you surprised? Is someone surprised? If you're surprised, can you just drop an emoji, a surprising emoji at the comment section? Guys, today I am going to be talking about this big YouTuber that is hailed by everybody. Oh my god, like everyone is Kelechi Bemna. What does Kelechi Bemna has? Today I will be exposing this big YouTuber called Kelechi Bemna. Guys, before I get into exposing this gorgeous, beautiful, and I call her model, but whatever, you will get to know in a bit what this lady has done. Before I get to exposing her, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit on the red subscription button and join this family, because in this family we are all about having fun, feeling beautiful, feeling confident, and feeling positive vibes all the time. Yes, guys, I'm talking about Kelechi Bemna. I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name correctly. If I'm not, Kelechi, I'm very sorry. I know Kelechi, yeah, I'm pronouncing Kelechi right, but I don't know if Bemna is how she pronounces her name. But I'm sorry if I'm not getting it right. So Kelechi Bemna is a big YouTuber. She's on her way to 100k subscribers, and I really call her a big YouTuber because of the work she does, like her consistency level. But I just want to expose her in this video, behind that gorgeousness, behind all the glamorous. Have you watched her videos? All her settings and everything, behind everything that she does, it's a kind-hearted, soft, delightful, like swag queen. I mean so I'm doing this video because Kelechi is actually one of the reasons for my YouTube success. Let's get serious. Like when I started in January, till date I still use my phone, right? I just use my phone and one ring light, just one ring light that is standing in front of me. I was trying to look for ways to level up my content, and this fateful day I typed I was searching on how to film using a phone. I stumbled on this lady's channel. Since that January till now, I've been following her, and I bet you for every progress made on this channel is thanks to Kelechi Bemna. And I said I wouldn't go forward with my channel because I have a vision. Like I have this this positive mindset that I'm gonna make it in this channel, and thanks to you, my subscribers, for taking me to the level at which I am now. So I don't want to go any further without giving honor to whom honor is due, and this is for Kelechi Bemna. So thank you so much, Kelechi. I don't know if you will ever get to see this video, but I am one of those people whom you have positively impacted, and I just want to say thank you so very much. Like, she is one transparent YouTuber I have met in my life. Like, I've not physically met her. Don't come for me at this comment section. I've not physically met her, but I feel like I've known her my whole life because of the way she has impacted me. Please, if you don't know, if you are not following Kelechi Bemna and you are a YouTuber, I just want you to just head over to her channel. I'll leave a picture so that you can search her and connect with her. Like I said, she's on her way to 100k subscribers, and please do make that happen for her. She talks everything YouTube related. Like, she's a genius, you guys. From her production, she is the one who made me to start editing on the computer. Like I always told you, I felt so very lazy editing on the computer because I got so used to my phone that to get to the computer, it was so challenging for me. But this lady, her editing skills is just something else. I don't want to talk much because you will head to her channel and you'll see everything I'm saying, like her production, her in fact her studio, her YouTube studio, her setting, her everything is just mind-blowing. Like, she's one YouTuber that I've met that puts in her body, soul and spirit into the YouTube. She's so passionate about it. She leaves no stone unturned. She will show you her analytics. She will show you how much she earns. She will show you what she did, the things she is doing to earn that amount. That it's just so mind-blowing. Kelechi, if you ever get to see this video, I love you so much. Yes, I know some people will be saying I just want her to notice me. If she notices me, fine and good, that would be good for me, okay. But regardless if she notices me or not, I want you to notice her first, because you will benefit a lot. You will benefit a lot from her channel. She's a beauty guru as well. Like, she's just an embodiment of a lot of things. And if you didn't know, the very first hair tutorial I did, that was like, I made a week of using the expression. I saw it from Kelechi's channel. I followed every step. Before then, I had never done that in my life. Like I always say, I've never gone for any training to do hair or whatsoever. I only watched Kelechi's channel once and I did that video, which is one of my best hair video. And once again, I want to say thank you to Kelechi Bemna. Please head over to her channel, subscribe to her, and if you do subscribe to her, just tell her you are from Viana's beauty channel. I just want her to know that she's got a true supporter. Like, I know that my support doesn't mean anything to her because she's thousands, she's almost 100,000 subscribers right now. And I want to thank her again because most of my subscribers, if you know, we met on Kelechi's channel, please subscribe down below. Let's relate, let's reconnect, let's have some fun at the comment section. Most of my subscribers are those at my starting stage sorry, I don't know why I'm babbling, was from Kelechi's channel. And I don't know if I should call you auntie, sister, boss, or what should I call you. Thank you so very much for influencing my channel, for giving me the boldness, for giving me like the updates on everything. I didn't know anything about analytics. It's from Kelechi's channel that I knew so much about analytics. Like, if I had to keep talking, I'll keep going and going. But Kelechi, I just want to tell you how grateful I am. So that's it about Kelechi, guys. Head over to her channel. Kelechi, thank you so much for influencing me. Once again, I love you so much. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe down below and join the Kelechi's team. This is Team Kelechi Bemna. Yes, I exposed you so that all my subscribers will know you as well. That was such a great exposure, right? Okay, I'm going to see you in my next video, and don't forget, this is Viana's Beauty. Bye bye.